Dasaita head unit for Toyota Tacoma review. 11.6-inch wireless CarPlay screen that fits like factory.
You're squinting at your Tacoma's tiny factory screen again, trying to read turn-by-turn directions while the sun washes out half the display. Last weekend, your buddy showed you his new truck with wireless CarPlay on a massive screen. Yours felt like ancient history by comparison. The wired-only connection means cables cluttering your console, constant plugging and unplugging every single drive. Sound painfully familiar yet? Drop a comment if this frustration hits too close to home.
Here's what creates that suffocating tension. Every navigation attempt becomes a squinting exercise. Your passengers keep asking, "Can you zoom that map in?" And the brain fog of switching between phone and factory screen mid-drive drains your focus. You've researched aftermarket options, but worried about losing steering wheel controls, compatibility nightmares, or that cheap aftermarket look. But there's actually a way forward that looks factory and works flawlessly. Let me show you what changed everything.
Then everything changed when I found the Dasaita head unit for Toyota Tacoma 2016 to 2023 with wireless CarPlay, an 11.6-inch screen, and 8 GB RAM. Don't just pick any aftermarket car stereo. Make sure it has genuine plug-and-play Tacoma-specific harnesses and 256 GB storage, so you never waste time on compatibility issues, lost steering wheel controls, or running out of space for offline maps literally everyone complains about again. The difference hit instantly. The 11.6-inch display transformed my dashboard like a factory upgrade. Wireless CarPlay connected in 15 seconds without cables, and the OEM-style bezel matched my interior so perfectly that passengers assumed it came from the factory. The Android 13 system with 8 GB RAM handled Gaia GPS navigation, Spotify streaming, and hands-free calls simultaneously without lag. The 256 GB storage held entire state worth of offline topo maps for backcountry trails, and the plug-and-play harness retained every factory feature, including backup camera and steering wheel controls. Let me be honest, an overlander nearly got lost on a remote Utah trail, but recovered instantly using preloaded offline maps on the massive screen, navigating safely back to camp. Here's what surprised me most. The responsiveness rivals flagship tablets, not cheap car stereos.
Here's what 7 months of daily driving revealed. The wireless CarPlay connects automatically every morning. The 8 GB RAM keeps multitasking smooth, even with navigation plus music plus weather apps running simultaneously. And the 256 GB storage still has 180 GB free after loading offline maps for 4 Western states. One automotive technology review site noted, the Dasaita's greatest strength is the massive screen that integrates flawlessly, looking like a factory option from a higher trim. An overlanding gear analyst confirmed the ability to run GPS off-road or on-X off-road on a large dash-mounted screen is a significant safety upgrade over a phone. A Tacoma owner with a year of use reported, the software received 2 updates adding features. Community support and shared tips for these Android units are fantastic. The price concern resolves when you calculate cost per feature. Wireless CarPlay, 11.6-inch screen, Android 13, navigation, and 256 GB storage versus a basic factory upgrade costing double with half the features. The installation worry disappears with plug-and-play harnesses requiring 0 wire cutting. Professional shops complete it in 2 hours, confident DIYers in 3. Which capability matters most to your Tacoma? Off-road navigation with offline maps, wireless smartphone integration, or that factory-quality fit and finish? The reversible installation means you can return to stock anytime, protecting resale value while enjoying modern tech now. Join the Tacoma Overlanders and tech enthusiasts who've quietly upgraded to modern infotainment without sacrificing factory aesthetics. The Dasaita-huvudenhet for Toyota Tacoma 2016 to 2023 transforms your truck with an 11.6-inch screen, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, 256 gigabytes offline map storage, and plug-and-play installation. Results may vary based on vehicle trim and installation quality. Full compatibility charts, installation videos, and current availability are linked in the description and pinned comment below. Your daily commute deserves wireless simplicity. Your off-road adventures deserve reliable offline navigation. Click and experience the difference today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.